Hey guys, we're gonna make we're gonna make that Midori Sour. We're probably gonna make.
Do you
a
like
couple.
green drinks?
I love green drinks because it's like Ghostbusters.
You'll like green drinks too.
Was that English?
At the time, it could be a stroke.
It could be a stroke.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek are going to make two things. Derek's going to tell you what we're making, but they're going to make a Midori Sour. The trick. What are you doing? Egg whites. Egg white Midori Sour, no egg white Midori Sour.
Yeah.
Because Dan gets really confused when it comes to egg whites.
What do you mean I get confused when it comes to egg whites?
I don't know. I just needed some way to... Should I have got you a bag to put all that in? I guess you're going to just throw it in the sink for now. What exactly are you doing? Oh, did the little skin stay on?
Yeah. And I don't
Oh, maybe it's not me.
And I don't want
maybe it's someone else.
He's like... He's cutting a hole into it.
Organic eggs are...
I don't want to get the
eggshell
chips in the drink.
You don't like chips in your drink?
Well, we could double strain it, I guess, right?
All right. Well, before everybody gets here and they're like, "What the hell are these rookies doing?" We're gonna make a Midori Sour for you. Here's the recipe. It's gonna be 1 ounce of Midori Melon Liqueur, 1 ounce of sour mix, 2 ounces of lemon lime soda, 1 Luxardo Maraschino cherry as your garnish. The spoiler alert: we're gonna make our we're gonna make our sour mix on the fly. You at home can do this as well because it's not complicated.
What is it?
I don't know. I thought you guys knew.
Oh.
So it's going to be half simple syrup.
I got it.
And then of the remaining half is lemon, half is lime.
Yep.
So half, quarter.
So, yeah.
2 on 1.
The 2 on 1
Look at
creeps its
that.
ugly head every
Magic
time.
ratio.
So, 2 on 1.
Each Midori already?
2 on
Yeah.
1.
Yeah.
2 sugar, 1 lime, 1 lemon. That's fine. It's just my brand new clean mats I got you. And that's how I make...
Trying to make it all real life.
I know. That's how I make my sour
that's
mix.
it.
So the other way you could... And now what you could do is you could take that same recipe and you could do like 4 sugar, 2 lime, 2 lemon, shake it independently, and then use it to make multiple drinks. But in this case, we're just using it as part of the recipe. Just to make it simple and integrated. There's only 1 ounce of Midori Liqueur, which is weird. But Midori is...
more.
Well, this drink is like candy.
I like it.
And when you add a lot more candy to the candy, it just gets candier.
It's a powerful flavor, too.
Candy.
Candy?
Yeah. And there's probably... I don't think I have any recipe history to this.
Oh, fuck. It's been a while.
You didn't even drink any tequila.
What's that?
Do you like this drink?
It's sweet.
Me? Yeah, why wouldn't I? I think everybody likes this, right?
Who doesn't like a Midori Sour?
Because it's a college drink and he makes college drinks.
Yeah.
This one's a little different because it's a sour.
It's
It's
like one of those drinks that it's accepted even. Yeah. A lot of adults. Oh, I love it.
No, but it's like an old school cocktail, though.
Yeah.
But it's super sweet.
There's people that still, you know what I mean, that aren't. Like the
You can make a shitty Midori Sour.
No, yeah. But I think it's like one of those that
Well, you
like,
can.
It's respected even after college.
Are you right? Yeah, I got you the sugar-free and the regular. You can use whatever one you
no
want.
sugar-free.
Yeah. just
Poopy
make-
on sugar-free.
Sugar-free what?
And
Well,
then,
I had a theory that we're using Sprite because they didn't have any 7-Up at the store. Lemon lime.
holy shit, you gotta get your shit together. You should have some tequila.
You need a
See?
drink.
I told you, going in sober, not worth
Bad
it.
news.
So
Never drink sober.
I already could see his drink over there is like,
Awesome.
yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, Dan's is fine. It's just,
Oh, it's so much better with the...
yeah. I mean, it's prettier. It's got the look. You're gonna put that in there too. So for those that are like, wait a minute, are Dan?
We're topping. It doesn't say it
Yeah.
now, right?
Are Dan and Ian both using professional Boston shakers from AwesomeDrinks.com? And the answer is yes. Of course they are.
Can we put a maraschino cherry in?
Yeah. And Ian has the new Gunmetal Black kit.
You know, cherry.
Which,
It's like a lift right there.
I know, that's awesome.
Ian's looks really pretty.
yeah. Dan's about to ruin it. Because that...
No, it'll look pretty with the cherry in it.
I know, I'm just wondering if it would like push it up just enough to go off the top, but it didn't. It was fine. So,
I don't ruin anything.
drink 1
Yes.
and drink 2. Boom. Did those come out okay on the camera?
Yeah.
Producer?
Put the maraschino cherry and the lime
Yeah.
juice thing.
Uh,
Yeah, let me wash that for you.
We are on top of it today.
it's all good. You could just destroy
Alright.
the mass. Take a sip. This is Midori Sour. Super simple to make, sort of. We can make it look more complicated
So good.
because that's what we do here.
Oh, it's
This
sweet
is light.
and limey and yummy. Yes, refreshing.
It tastes like a
Where's
dessert.
melon, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's some sort of weird melon, musk melon or something.
I like it better with the egg white. There's a
Yeah.
little more body. Yeah.
It's
You made
thicker.
those for
Hmm.
Jen and I, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did. Yeah.
No, right now.
Because
She's
you.
saying.
Oh.
You didn't stop drinking.
Egg white's so good.
It's you know what it is. Midori's super sweet and like stickily so like it makes you it's so climbingly sweet that you just can't.
I gotta make
can't do
myself
it.
one of
The egg
these.
white
It's
dries
so
now.
good. So
But when you
good.
bring all those ingredients together, you're actually balancing it out with that sour, and then even the fact that you're using a sugared lime citrus soda, it like cuts the sweetness.
It's not like it's sweet, but it's not like
It's not as sweet as you'd expect.
no.
I think it's just
you
'cause
kind of have
of the sour
that
mix in
melon,
there.
lime, and yeah.
It's not balanced. It's still sweet, but it's the body of like that citrus just makes it enjoyable, refreshing. Well,
A drink that's color is not going to be balanced.
yeah, that's true. You did.
I don't think it's that. I mean, it's got sweet, it's got sour, it's got alcohol.
Oh,
It's got all those things.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like
I mean,
I
it's
don't
not
think it's
perfectly balanced, but it's not. Of the unbalanced college drinks, this is probably one of the better ones.
I know,
Yeah.
and you could maybe get one like this at the bar.
This is kind of like an '80s drink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, but and it even leaves like a little bit of melon behind.
It's good.
It's like Ghostbusters drink.
I know.
Yeah.
I need to make another one because we're gonna get yelled at.
So there's
All right, I'll start.
Yeah, make
our
another one for
executive
us.
producer
Oh,
is
You want me to crack that for you?
LKZM
Crack it in
Productions.
here.
One
No,
of our
'cause
YouTube
when
members.
do
You can
that,
click the
get,
join button
Shards go into the glass when they break off.
and become a YouTube. Oh, she's like just gonna just take them,
I was making. Okay.
fresh ones.
They'll have another.
All right, let me see. You can have
Ah.
that one, that's fine.
Yeah, you
Oh,
can
this
be-
one's for us,
Unless you don't like it.
not for them.
unless you don't like it. Yes, click the join button. Become a member to help me. So one of the things I'm going to be doing is I've got my camera going into refurb. So the camera that's supposed to take shots of what Ian's doing has been down for like a couple years. For those that have seen the multi-camera stuff, I'm thinking of buying another one of these ones to put over here. So we have the 3 cameras and then use it, and I'll sell the refurb one instead of using it. That way we have at least 2 4K ones, and this just does the product shot. Then you guys will be able to see Ian making drinks up close in 4K.
And who doesn't want to see that?
Lucky
Yeah.
you guys.
Everybody wants to see Ian make drinks.
And how much will that cost you? Well, just so we could see Ian pour in 4K will just be about $1,600. So I'm working on
Yeah.
the
Pocket change.
yeah. Well, I've had a lot of sponsor videos, so they just haven't paid me yet. Like, they take forever. It's like 3 months to get paid to do any of this stuff. So eventually, I have the money to buy the camera, and that will be good.
You guys can buy cool new shakers though too.
Yeah.
Look at,
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
That is another way
That's
to find
awesome.
it. Is you go to osrace.com. That's the gunmetal shaker.
All right, that's in this one.
That's all right.
Whatever.
We don't need a full body.
That's the new
Look
strainer.
at this, the new strainer. Pretty
Yep.
freaking cool.
So I put that on. I have a professional Boston shaker kit, and I was
You
selling
guys got to get it.
with the other shit. I was selling it with these because this is what we put in the regular one.
No, this is like legit.
Yeah. So I switched it out.
I
It's
need
a
one
little
of
bit,
these.
little bit more money now because I removed the $2 or $1 spray one with that one. That one is all gunmetal. Gunmetal. So that kit, you could buy all the pieces separately if you just wanted one of
See
them.
that one looks. That's.
There's
Well,
no dry on
But you get
Yeah.
the jigger,
that
the
one's
chins,
legit.
and the strainer, and the spoon all in gunmetal. And you'll probably need a small home loan, but it's worth it.
But come on, it's worth it. Look at that. I need one. Why don't I have one of these? This is.
Well, I just got those
This is a
like
problem.
yeah. Well, when I have like 700 of these $1 ones, those are the ones you end up getting because they're $1, and
Yeah.
I'm willing to give $1 for you. But when it's like $10, $12. I'm like, that's like 12 of these. I could just give you 12 of these, and they'll have enough of these.
Yeah,
for
but then
life.
I'd have to put all 12 together to be as cool as this one.
Yeah, that's true. It is.
Look at that.
I mean, he's upping his game every time. Now it looks like
Look
a
at
jelly
see.
donut.
No,
He
what's
needed
it?
a couple. See, he needed a couple sips of a drink to get everything flowing.
Now he's
Egg
he's
cracked, shaked, great
Cool.
foam,
Much better.
made a little picture.
there. Made a little picture.
That's what he does.
That's perfect.
Sweet.
So
I
if
got
you-
my own.
you could look at. Oh, you could use coupon code Shake It. Save 20% off till July 31st.
That's a good one. You guys got to make this drink. It's good.
It tastes like the last
It's
one.
like this in Singapore sling. I'm like, oh my
I
god.
bought the ingredients we were making some.
Oh my Singapore sling is
Oh, by the way,
fantastic.
we could probably make one, and if we're gonna make one, we might as well film it too at the end.
Mm.
Maybe
You
we could
just
pleasure
do
with
it.
it.
We just did that, yeah.
Yeah, you just
Did
did.
we? Oh, I guess we don't have to film it then.
Remember Dan hadn't had it before?
Yeah, I never had it for this when we did the classic cocktails.
Yeah.
Never mind.
You fucking drink too much, dude. Mm.
Anyway, sidebar. You know what?
Right.
Here you go. Sidebar. Singapore slang. Now I'm gonna have to find that video.
Oh, Ian took it again.
What's he doing?
It's still here. Sidebar.
Sidebar.
Stole my sidebar. No, I shrink the video. Don't worry, it's cool. Down below is our Boston Shaker kit. No, sorry. The bartender starter kit. The Boston Shaker kit is just the shaker kit if you want to be awesome. The starter kit's if you don't have any gear and you want to be able to get started.
No, you should just start off at the top, right?
You go to the top.
You don't have to start from the bottom and now get here. Like,
No.
just start at the top.
You always just get an iPhone, right? You don't
Yeah.
go down to like this little cheesy Android phone.
And it doesn't matter what you're making. Your friends are like, "Damn, that's nice," and you're like, "That's right."
That's right. And that's what it's
Shut
all
up
about.
and drink it.
Your
Go back
cocktails
to
are better
laser
if they
nowadays.
look better.
That's
doing it.
right.
You did it, so we're done. We're
Bye.
teaching you how to drink.
Cheers.